It's important to clean your BBP31 sign and label printer on a regular basis. It's considered best practice to clean it after every roll of supply. To start, unplug the printer, open the printer's cover, and remove both the label material and the ribbon cartridge. To clean your printer, you will need clean foam swabs, isopropyl alcohol, and this scraper tool. These items are included in a cleaning kit when you purchase the printer, although you will need to obtain your own isopropyl alcohol. If you prefer to avoid using a bottle of liquid, these handy pre-soaked foam swabs can be purchased from Brady. There are several areas inside the printer that you'll always want to make sure you clean. The printhead surface here, the platen roller here, and the cutter blade and sensor, which are located beneath the cutter assembly here. To expose the blade and sensor, release the cutter by squeezing the two yellow tabs. Use the beveled edge of the scraper tool along the blade. Feel free to add isopropyl alcohol to help facilitate removal of any adhesive buildup. You may need to repeat this process for any stubborn residue. You'll also notice, if you look closely, the small sensor inside the cutter right here. You'll want to use a pre-soaked swab to remove any dust accumulation on the surface. To clean the rubber platen roller, use a pre-soaked swab to wipe off any dust or debris that may have collected there. To get to the back side of the roller, you may need to apply liberal pressure with your thumb to manually advance the roller. To clean the green and black printhead, gently rub it with a clean pre-soaked swab, with focus on the leading edge. Again, you may need to repeat this process to remove stubborn adhesive buildup. Once the cleaning process is complete, you can replace the label material and print ribbon and close your printer.